So good afternoon, everybody. This is Jayashree. I'm going to take the high pass filters. Okay. Under this topics of active filters and signal generator for the second year, 4 semesters. Okay. Let us see what I mean by high pass filter. Okay. There are 4 types of filters. Under this, one of the filter name is high pass filter. Okay. So active filters are mainly classified into following 4 types based on the band of frequencies that are allowing or rejecting. Okay. So high pass filter. Okay. So if an active filter allows only high frequency components and reject all other low frequency components, then it is called active high pass filter. Okay. The circuit diagram of an active high pass filter is shown in this figure. That is here. The circuit diagram is, in the low pass filter, we have seen the resistance connected horizontally and this capacitor is connected vertically. Whereas here, the capacitor are connected horizontally and the resistors are connected vertically. And the feedback resistance are connected from output to the input. And R1 is connected to ground. Okay. And minus and plus are the inverting and non-inverting terminal of the amplifier. So here minus indicates inverting terminal of the amplifier and the plus indicates non-inverting terminal of the amplifier. Okay. So this is the gain of the high pass filter. AF is the pass band gain of the filter. F is the frequency of the input signal in hertz and FC is the cutoff frequency in hertz. Okay. So let us see the applications of the high pass filter. So audio equalization, speaker protection, crossover networks and signal conditioning and radio frequency engineering, image processing. These are the various applications of high pass filter. So first one, audio equalization. High pass filter are used in audio systems for equalizing purposes. They allow the high frequency to pass through while attenuating low frequencies, which can help in adjusting the tone or timbre of the audio signals. Next one, speaker protection. High pass filter are often used in speaker systems to protect them from low frequency signals that could potentially damage the speakers by filtering out frequencies below the operational range of the speaker. High pass filter prevents distortion and damage caused by excessive excursion of the speaker cone. Okay. Next one is what? Crossover networks. In multi-driver speaker systems, high pass filters are used in crossover networks to route high frequency signals to tweeters or mid-range drivers while directing low frequency signals to woofers. This ensures that each driver receives only the frequency it is optimized to reproduce and resulting in better second quality and efficiency. So audio equalization and speaker protection, crossover networks, this is very much essential for this high pass filter circuits. Next one, signal conditioning. So what do you mean by signal conditioning? We need to receive the signal properly, right? Whether it is a TV signal or radio signal, then only we can able to hear everything or we can able to see everything, right? That is what the signal conditioning we are doing this high pass filter. So high pass filters are used for signal conditioning in various applications such as sensors, data processing and instrumentation. They can remove low frequency drift or baseline noise from the sensor signals, improving the accuracy and reliability of measurements. Okay. Radio frequency engineering, high pass filters. Okay, under the radio frequency engineering, high pass filters are essential components in RF circuits. What do you mean by radio frequency? We are calling to the some other transmitter and receiver in, right? With the help of antenna, we are receiving the call. With the help of antenna, we are transmitting the call, right, one place to another. That is what this radio frequency engineering. This high pass filter are essential in components in RF circuits and antennas for filtering out the unwanted low frequency signals such as noise and interference while allowing received high frequency signals to pass through. They help in improving the signal to noise ratio and overall performance of the RF communication systems. Next, high pass filter are used in image processing, application for edge detection, sharpening and texture analyzing. They enhance the contrast of images by amplifying high frequency details while suppressing low frequency component, resulting in clearer and sharper images. Okay. So let us see the high pass filter block diagram in again. So this is what the block diagram of high pass filter. Here the capacitor connected horizontally instead of vertically connected in low pass filter. Here resistors are connected vertically instead of horizontally connected in the low pass filter. Okay, this is the main applications of this high pass filter: audio, speaker protection, crossover networks, signal conditioning, radio frequency engineering, and image processing. So thank you all. Let us see the next class.